So today we're talking about video production. Even if you don't know the first thing about it, believe me, it is totally doable. I'm a chemical engineer by trade and I knew nothing about video. So when we started out with YouTube, Nami became the creative writer in the process. I took on the video aspect of the job because we didn't have a video guy. Funny how life goes, because now we create marketing videos for businesses. So like Pavi said, it's totally possible to just get started with whatever you have around the house. Here's a quick set of resources. Number one, the camera. Now you don't have to have a fancy DSLR. An iPhone or Android work just fine. People seriously tend to underestimate this camera. It's actually the angle that makes the difference. The selfie angle is really unflattering and unprofessional. So either get a stand or a GoPro spider thingy. Number two, lighting. We learned this the hard way. Natural light is the best. Just be aware of light changes throughout the day, like the sun setting or clouds. That can change throughout the video. If you have floor lamps with LED light bulbs, point those at you from the left and right, not directly. Number three, sound. Now this can be a deal breaker. People will forgive bad lighting or bad video, but they will not forgive bad sound. You could use a simple iPhone voice memo to get started. Number four, talent. Make sure that you don't wear too many prints or busy prints if your background is busy as well, because that doesn't make the footage really good. Number five, scripting. Make sure to have a script or an outline of what you want to talk about ahead of time. Otherwise, you'll tend to ramble or say too many ums or likes, and that just does not look professional and does not retain your audience. Try to memorize it as long as it looks natural, but don't read the script on camera. That is so 2000 and late. Number six, editing. I used iMovie on my Mac for a very long time and it does an amazing job. It's pretty user-friendly. There are plenty of videos out there on YouTube on how to use iMovie. I really never understood Windows Movie Maker and I never want to. There you go. Now it's your turn. Go make those videos. It's not easy, but it's totally possible. Just go practice, be patient, and go crush it.